I've got this, thanks though.
Are you sure? It looks like you could use an extra hand.
I appreciate it, but I think I can handle it. Just a bit more organizing to do.
All right, but don't hesitate to ask if you need any help. I'm here all day.
I know, and I really appreciate your offer. I just want to see if I can manage it on my own first.
That's understandable. Sometimes it's good to tackle things by yourself.
Exactly. It helps me learn and become more efficient in the process.
True, gaining confidence through experience is important. How's everything else going?
Pretty good, actually. Just trying to keep up with all the new projects we've been getting.
Yeah, the workload has definitely increased lately. It's been hectic for everyone.
It has, but I think we're all handling it quite well, considering the circumstances.
Absolutely. The team has been great at adapting to all the changes.
I'm really proud of everyone. We've come a long way together.
We have. It's impressive how much we've accomplished as a team.
It really is. Each challenge has made us stronger and more resilient.
Thanks, Mark. I'll keep that in mind. It's reassuring to know you're there.
Anytime, Alice. We're all in this together.
We are, and that makes everything a bit easier to handle.
It sure does. Well, good luck with the rest of your organizing.
Thanks. I'll let you know if I hit a snag.
Sounds good. Take care, Alice.
You too, Mark.
I can't stand the cold no more, it's just too much for me.
I know what you mean. This winter has been particularly harsh.
Every morning I dread getting out of bed because it's so freezing.
Have you considered getting a space heater for your room?
I have one, but it doesn't seem to make much of a difference.
Maybe you need a better one. Some of the newer models are pretty effective.
That's a good idea, I'll look into it.
In the meantime, have you been layering up enough?
I wear so many layers, I feel like a marshmallow.
I can imagine, but staying warm is the priority.
Absolutely. Do you have any other tips for dealing with the cold?
Drinking hot beverages helps a lot. I make tea or hot chocolate frequently.
I've been doing that too, it's one of the few comforts in this weather.
Also, exercising can warm you up. Even a short walk can make a big difference.
That's true, I've been avoiding the gym, but maybe I should go back.
It might help, plus it's a good way to beat the winter blues.
You're right, I need to stop making excuses and just do it.
Exactly, and remember, spring is just around the corner.
Thank goodness, I can't wait for warmer days and blooming flowers.
Same here. We'll get through this cold together.
Thanks for the encouragement, Jake, it helps a lot.
Anytime, Anna. We're in this together.
Did you see that rainbow earlier? It felt like a good omen.
Yes, I saw it. It was so bright and colorful.
I think it means something good is coming our way.
I hope so. We could use some good news right now.
Absolutely. Things have been pretty tough lately.
Have you heard anything from the job interview yet?
Not yet, but I'm staying hopeful. Maybe the rainbow is a sign.
That would be great. You deserve a break.
Thanks, Jack. Your support means a lot to me.
Anytime. What about your other projects? How are they going?
Slowly but surely. I've been trying to stay positive and focused.
That's the spirit. Persistence always pays off in the end.
You're right. It's just hard to stay motivated sometimes.
Whenever you need a pep talk, you know where to find me.
Thanks, Jack. You're always so encouraging.
It's easy to be positive when you believe in someone.
I appreciate that. Let's hope for more good omens.
Definitely. Maybe we should go for a walk and look for more rainbows.
That sounds like a great idea. Fresh air always helps clear the mind.
Agreed. Let's head to the park and enjoy the sunshine.
Perfect. Thanks for being such a good friend, Jack.
Wow, look at him, he's really rolling in it.
Yeah, ever since he started that tech company, he's been doing really well.
It's amazing how quickly things can change for some people.
I know, right? Just a few years ago, he was struggling to make ends meet.
Do you think he ever imagined he'd be this successful?
Probably not to this extent, but he always had big dreams and worked hard.
Hard work really does pay off sometimes.
Definitely, but I also think he was smart about taking risks.
That's true. Not everyone has the courage to take big risks.
Speaking of which, have you thought more about starting your own business?
I have, but I'm still a bit hesitant. It's a huge step.
It is, but you've got the talent and the drive.
Thanks, I appreciate your confidence in me.
Anytime. I believe in you, you just need to take that first step.
Maybe you're right. I should at least start planning.
Absolutely, you never know where it might lead.
True. And who knows, maybe one day I'll be the one rolling in it.
I can totally see that happening.
Thanks for the encouragement, it means a lot.
You're welcome. Now, let's grab some lunch and brainstorm some ideas.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
I put on a few kilos over the holidays.
Really? I hadn't noticed. You still look great to me.
Thanks, but I definitely feel it in my clothes. They're getting tighter.
The holidays can be tough with all the delicious food and treats around.
I know, right? I just couldn't resist all the desserts.
It's totally normal. Everyone indulges a bit during the holidays.
I guess, but I really want to get back to my usual weight.
Have you thought about how you're going to do that?
Yeah, I'm planning to start a new workout routine and eat healthier.
That sounds like a good plan. Do you need any help or a workout buddy?
Actually, that would be awesome. It's always easier with someone else.
Great. Let's set up a schedule and keep each other motivated.
Perfect. How about we start this weekend?
Works for me. We can start with a morning run in the park.
That sounds like a great idea. I'm in.
And maybe we can try some new healthy recipes together.
Yes, that would be fun and helpful. I need to learn more healthy dishes.
I've got a few good recipes I can share.
Awesome. I can't wait to try them out.
It's going to be great. We'll get back in shape in no time.
Thanks. I really appreciate your support.
Anytime. We've got this.
Please subscribe and see you soon.